Tired of generic email addresses and ready to boost your brand's credibility? Let's dive into verifying your Shopify domain with G Suite. First, log into your Shopify admin account, or all the magic happens to manage your online store. Go to Settings at the bottom left corner of the screen. On the Settings page, click on Domains. This is where you'll manage all the domains connected to your Shopify store. Find the domain you want to verify with G Suite. It's likely the primary domain you use for your store. Click on it. Now, click the Connect Automatically button. This will automatically set up your Shopify domain with Google Workspace. Then, click Connect Automatically again on the pop-up. Log into your Google Workspace G Suite account. This is the account you want to use for your business emails. Make sure you have admin access. Follow the prompts provided by Google to verify your domain. Google Workspace may require you to add TXT or CNAME records to your DNS settings. Shopify will automatically do it for you, so you don't have to worry about manually inputting any records. This is only applicable if you did not click the Connect Automatically button. Once the records are added, give it some time, usually a few minutes, but sometimes up to 48 hours for the DNS changes to propagate. After propagation, your domain should be successfully verified with G Suite. Congratulations, you've successfully verified your Shopify domain with G Suite. Now you can create professional email addresses like info@yourstore.com, enhancing your brand's image and building trust with your customers. Good luck.